Hello viewers. Welcome ABCK to our channel. Today, we will discuss the top 10 benefits of beetroot juice. Beetroot juice, a deep red, earthy beverage made from the root vegetable beet, has surged in popularity as people discover its broad spectrum of health benefits. Once viewed as just another salad ingredient, beets are now being hailed for their powerful combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Whether you're an athlete aiming for better performance or someone managing blood pressure, beetroot juice has something to offer. Let's dive into the top 10 benefits of beetroot juice and see how this humble root can enhance your well-being. Number 1. Improves blood pressure. Beetroot juice is high in dietary nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes and dilates blood vessels. This helps lower blood pressure naturally by improving blood flow and reducing the workload on the heart. Multiple studies have shown that regular consumption can result in significant drops in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, especially in people with hypertension. Number 2. Boosts stamina and exercise performance. The same nitrates that help reduce blood pressure also enhance athletic performance. Nitric oxide improves oxygen efficiency in muscles, allowing you to work out longer and harder with less fatigue. Athletes often drink beetroot juice as a natural performance enhancer, with research suggesting it can increase time to exhaustion and reduce the oxygen cost of exercise. Number 3. Supports liver health and detoxification. Beetroot juice contains betaine, a compound that helps liver cells function more effectively and protects against toxin damage. It promotes the breakdown of harmful substances and supports bile flow, both essential for detoxifying the body. Antioxidants like betalains also help reduce oxidative stress in the liver, supporting overall liver health. Number 4. Enhances brain function and cognitive health. As we age, blood flow to the brain often decreases, contributing to cognitive decline. The nitrates in beetroot juice help increase blood flow to the brain's frontal lobe, the area associated with decision-making, memory, and focus. Some studies show that beetroot juice may help older adults maintain mental clarity and delay the onset of neurodegenerative diseases. Number 5. Supports digestive health. Beetroot juice is a source of fiber and antioxidants that support gut health. Fiber promotes regular bowel movements and feeds healthy gut bacteria, while betaine helps stimulate stomach acid production for better digestion. It can relieve constipation, reduce bloating, and support nutrient absorption, making it a great option for those with sluggish digestion. Number 6. Fights inflammation. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many serious health conditions, including heart disease, arthritis, and cancer. Beetroot juice contains betalains, pigments with strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These compounds help reduce inflammation at the cellular level, making beet juice a useful addition to any anti-inflammatory diet. Number 7. Aids in weight management. Low in calories but rich in nutrients, beetroot juice can support healthy weight management. Its fiber content helps you feel full longer, reducing the urge to snack or overeat. Additionally, it provides a steady source of energy without blood sugar spikes, helping maintain metabolic balance and support long-term weight goals. Number 9. Promotes healthy skin. The antioxidants and vitamin C in beetroot juice help combat free radicals that cause premature aging. Vitamin C also aids in collagen production, improving skin elasticity and tone. Regular consumption can reduce blemishes, brighten your complexion, and help clear up acne and other inflammatory skin conditions from within. Number 9. Improves anemia and iron deficiency. Beetroot juice contains iron, folate, and vitamin C, all crucial for healthy red blood cell production. It helps increase hemoglobin levels and improves oxygen transport throughout the body. Vitamin C enhances iron absorption, making beetroot juice especially beneficial for those with anemia or low iron levels. Number 10. Supports heart health. Beyond lowering blood pressure, beetroot juice benefits the heart by improving blood vessel flexibility, reducing cholesterol levels, and decreasing oxidative stress. Its high nitrate and antioxidant content support overall cardiovascular function, helping to reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and related conditions over time. Beetroot juice isn't just another health fad, it's a scientifically supported, nutrient-dense beverage that offers real, tangible benefits for your body and mind. From reducing blood pressure to enhancing brain function, promoting detoxification, and even improving athletic performance, the list of advantages is impressive. Adding just a glass of beetroot juice a day to your routine could make a significant difference in your health over time. As with all supplements and lifestyle changes, moderation and balance are key. If you have kidney issues or are prone to low blood pressure, consult a healthcare provider before making beetroot juice a daily habit. For everyone else, it's time to raise a glass to better health naturally. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe and share this video. See you next time.